You can create a clean round logo in Canva. Begin by opening Canva and using the search bar to find and select the logo. To design within a circular shape, add a circle from the Elements tab. Resize it to fill most of your canvas, leaving a small margin, and center it. This circle acts as your visual guide. Add your text, like a brand name or initials, inside this circle. Keep the text concise. Adjust the font size and color to ensure it's bold and stands out clearly against the circle. Once your design looks balanced, download your logo. Click Share and select Download. Choose PNG as the file format and make sure to select the transparent background option before downloading. Your round logo is now ready to use anywhere.